In the auto parts industry, for every part that's manufactured, assembled on a vehicle, remanufactured, or included in a distributor's catalog, a new reference number is generated. That's why there are dozens of distinct reference numbers for the same product. In a market with thousands of products, millions of reference numbers appear, which generate important challenges in both sales and analysis. In sales, over 20% of the reference numbers that customers search on a web shop or request by phone either have unrecognized formats by the system or no equivalence is found in the database. This provokes that the web shop doesn't find the solution, even though the product is in the warehouse. A lot of time is wasted finding the product, or even the sale is finally lost. In analysis, new products constantly appear on the market and others become obsolete. Products can have very different sales potential, and there are many suppliers in the market. This causes some low-demand products being added into the warehouse and high sales potential products not being added. Also, a lot of time and resources are spent on maintaining the equivalences and analyzing suppliers. The solution to all this complexity in the data is Neo. Neo creates a whole new way of handling data, completely independent of the manufacturer or the product application. Neo organizes data with a proprietary clustering algorithm, automatically detecting all existing product solutions and connecting them with all the reference numbers of the market. Neo can be easily integrated into any of your company's systems, applications, or processes. With Neo's disruptive technology, you will be able to improve by 20% the performance of your web shop or e-catalog and selling even more. Optimize your product range with less than 1 hour of monthly dedication. Reduce by 95% the time you spend analyzing products and suppliers. Find out how we can help you at www.factorydata.com.